Here we are. We've arrived at our final session together, and I'm going to miss talking to you. So far, throughout this course, we have talked about ritual. So once again, let's remind ourselves of what does it mean to incorporate ritual into our lives. There are two types of rituals: ceremonial ritual and everyday ritual. Ceremonial rituals have been part of every ancient and indigenous culture throughout history. Yet many in our modern times have abandoned them, and their aim has always been so noble and had an elevating effect on the human mind and heart. The daily ritual is what helps us feel more balanced, purposeful, and focused. Remember from the passion test, what you put your attention on grows stronger. So by designing any form of ritual into our life, we are placing our attention on the great and good things that are happening to us. Now, what we would like you to do is to think creatively and imagine how you would reenact your response to this event so that it includes an example of an everyday ritual. So take a moment to think about these scenarios and what your new and ritualized response would be. Now, I'm going to add a few financial rituals that will enhance your life. And actually, these rituals are ones that are often practiced in the business world. And you've already heard of a number of highly successful entrepreneurs that regularly take advantage of ritual in the workplace. So let's look at revenue income you receive on a daily basis. From now on, we encourage you to create and maintain a ritual of checking the income on your daily basis. And once again, I'll say it, what you put your attention on grows stronger. So on a weekly basis, we encourage you to set financial targets and ask yourself, how much revenue do I want to see coming in this week, and from what sources? Have a category in your mind to invite unexpected revenue to come in, and every week, consciously make time and invite it to show up. Take a few minutes in your week to look at your financial targets you set from the previous week and ask yourself, did I achieve my targets for that week? Did the finances I received for last week match my intended targets? And then be ready to adjust your targets, and don't set them so high that it's unpractical to reach them. And don't be excessive and create overambitious targets. Be realistic, or, you're going to feel very disheartened. At least once a month, look at your monthly financial statement. Look at the net, look at it, and ask yourself, what do I need to do for the coming month to increase my revenues? Look at your income and your expenses. Remember Benjamin Franklin, who reminds us that the wise person augments both his or her means and at the same time decreases his or her expenses. Now we're ready to look at the power of ceremonial rituals. No doubt that by now you're well on your way to living a passionate, fulfilled, and turned-on life as you begin the journey of discovering your true passions in life. Along the way, it has also been important to find creative and fun ways to increase your income so that you can feel free of those financial constraints that may be holding you back from fulfilling your passions in life. In fact, we have gone further in our quest for hidden riches so that we utilize the power of ritual, both everyday ones and ceremonial, to access a whole new level of consciousness and abundance that has been available to us previously. Now we shall complete this incredible course by bringing ourselves back to the very place we began, our soul selves. As we enter to one more ritual together, I hope that we can quietly bow to that magnificent force for good that we have all agreed to believe in and to align with throughout this whole course. Whatever your belief, even if you're not a believer in any deity or religion, we can all take away with us today the unquenchable flame of passion and peace of mind as our guiding light. So before we conclude, I hope that I can encourage and inspire you to take an hour out of your day to pay respect to the unifying force for good that has brought us together to share this special, very, very sacred time. When you do consider the following aspects, these are the pillars of ancient ceremony. And as you design your ritual, remember the 7 aspects. 1, your intention. 2, preparation and purification. 3, use of symbols. 4, activating all the senses. 5, prescribed performance. 6, repetition. 7, invoking the unseen, which can be as simple as saying, I'm open to receive help from wherever it may come. And now, as we conclude, one last time, right in the space we have provided, I am open to receive help from wherever it may come. We are taking an ancient form and using it to enrich our lives. And this is your breakthrough strategy to a life of passion, purpose, and meaning. Congratulations! I am so proud of all of you. Yay! You have completed this course.